All right, family, welcome back. It is Makisha Styles here, aka Keish, and once again, I'm your tour guide for the day. So if you watch my other videos, you know that I value the xtreamfx Global Academy because all the products that we have to offer as far as financials, as far as Forex, HFX, NADEX, US 30, right? Every single thing that you can think of. Plus, on top of that, I enjoy the community and the simplistic learning platform that we have. And then it's not just for beginners, it's also for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So whatever your Forex, HFX, or trading level is, period, when you come into the xtreamfx Global Academy, you're definitely going to find some tools and resources that will help you succeed. No income claims, of course. Now, the first page we're looking at here is the schedule, and this video is going to be on how to access your copy and paste trading tools, okay? So how to access your copy and paste trade ideas, that's what this video is here for, okay? So when you come over, the first thing you're going to do is once you lock arms with us, you're going to get an email. The email is going to have in there your back office link and your affiliate link, okay? So make sure you take note of that. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is on the left-hand side here, so this whole area here, what you want to do is come down to where it says affiliate members. On your end, if you're a student, it's going to say student, okay? If you're student or affiliate, it's going to have it right here, okay? You come down next, it says affiliate pro. Now, if you have student, it's going to say student. If affiliate basic, it's going to have basic. If you have plus, it's going to have plus, okay? It's going to be all the same thing, but it's going to have whatever your package is right here. You want to click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to give you a drop-down menu. Now, in the next video, I'm going to go over how to navigate through your back office. But remember, this video is going to be on how to, there we go, got to get it correct there, how to get your copy and paste trade ideas. Now, you want to come down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see where it says FX trade ideas. You come down a little further, it says HFX trade ideas. Now, no matter which one you're doing, you're going to access it the same exact way, okay? So we're going to do FX trade ideas. Once you click on it, okay, you're going to see this come up, which is the Telegram group. Now, if you already purchased a package with us, as soon as you hit this click here button, it's going to take you right over to the Telegram group and you'll be good to go. Now, say your subscription came due and you didn't pay a subscription. When you go to the Telegram group, you're not going to have access to it anymore, okay? So make sure you keep your subscription up to date. Now, once you click here, first thing it's going to do is going to be a Telegram bot. It's going to go over to your Telegram and it's going to send you a message saying whether you confirm or deny you want to be added to the group. Once you confirm that, you in there. Now you have the copy and paste trade ideas that come throughout different times of the day. And plus two, when you copy those copy and paste trade ideas, you want to know how to do that, okay? Because yes, you can definitely just copy and do your thing, but sometimes some of us want to know how to actually do it and why are we doing it. So when it comes to that part, you want, okay, why am I taking the trades and how? You want to come back over to your education class schedule. Once you click on the class schedule, when it comes to our copy and paste trade ideas, I want you to take a look at the sniper entry class, okay? You want to come down. We offer all types of sessions. You want to come down as well, and I also want you to look at MT4 setup. I want you to attend that class. Then I want you to come down and attend the next sniper entry class. So all the sniper entry classes are the classes going over how to take your copy and paste trade ideas. So you want to take advantage of that. With those that's doing the HFX side, you want to watch all of your HFX live education. You want to hop on there live and ask your questions. That's another thing I love about this academy is that it's very personal. That means that I'm able to hop on a Zoom, okay, with the educators, and I can actually come off mute and ask my question. I don't have to type it in the chat. If I can talk, right, if I'm not in a noisy area, I'm going to ask my question right there on the spot, and they're going to answer right there on the spot, okay? That's what I love about this academy is that it is very community-based, okay? And then also, too, we have study halls. So you want to attend the study halls also because that is extra mentorship to show you how to enter the trades, the different tools that we use, and every single thing, okay? For those that haven't got started with this yet, the first thing you're going to do, you want to come down. You want to come right here where it says onboarding fast start. You want that to be the first class that you attend. Yes, everything is recorded, okay? So I know somebody probably think, but is it recorded? Yes, it is. So everything is recorded, but I highly recommend you catch them live if you're able to. So if you're new, you start here first, and then you go over and start doing your copy and paste trade ideas and attending the different sessions, okay? So once again, how do you get access to your copy and paste trade ideas? Left-hand side, you want to click on whether it says affiliate or student. Click on the drop-down menu. You want to click on the next one, and you want to come down to where it says FX trade ideas. Once you click on FX trade ideas, you want to click here. It's going to take you right over to the Telegram chat. Ask you to confirm. You confirm. Now you in there and you're getting your copy and paste trade ideas. And the same thing when it comes to HFX. You want to click on, right? You want to click on the next tab, and you want to come down to where it says FX trade idea. I'm not going to click on it now because it's going to show some of the trade ideas, but right here is where you go for HFX trade ideas. Okay, so wasn't it simple? Wasn't it real simple? You get your back office link, you come on the left hand side, you click on where it says affiliate or student, you click on the next drop down menu and scroll down to where it says FX trade ideas, and now you got your money creating trade ideas, no income plans, of course. All right, so for those that are already started with us, make sure you get into our Telegram group for your copy and paste trade ideas. For those that have yet not started, hopefully I said that correctly, make sure you get back to whoever referred you to this video, or if it was myself, you're going to see in the description of the video my information. Text me, we're going to get you set up. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope you all have found this video of much value. You should, because it's talking about copy and paste trade ideas, but I know that you have. This has been Makisha Styles, aka Keish, and I will see you all in the next video.